So hey guys, welcome back. So this is our third video, and in this video let's draw our front elevation from our plan and section. So for that we are going to use construction lines. From draw, take construction lines, click edge so that we could get horizontal lines. We are going to project all of these lines. This will help us draw our front elevation in an easy way, and we'll also get accurate measurements. So now we are going to project our plan. So choose construction line, and just type V because we will be needing vertical lines, and we are projecting our plan. So while you are projecting your plan, just understand that imagine a person viewing a house from the front. Whatever the person sees, the person won't see the thickness of the wall or anything like that. So what the person will see while standing at the front of the house is what we are going to draw in our front elevation. So we'll see the windows, the doors, so we'll have to project them. So now we have our projections, and from this we are going to draw a front elevation. So we need to trim the unwanted lines. So use the keyword trim, write the command trim, and we are selecting the lines that we require, and we are trimming the lines that we don't want. Then we are again trimming. Just select the lines that you want to trim. Now this is the ground level. Now we are about to have a lot of trimming to have our windows, doors in position. So trim, we are going to trim the unwanted lines so that we could have our windows properly. We are trimming so that we could have our doors, windows. After trimming all the unwanted lines, we'll get an almost proper picture of the front elevation of a house. So now we are going to create steps. So for that we took construction line and we are projecting our steps. So now we need to trim the unwanted lines. So command trim and remove the unwanted lines. Except for the steps. Remove all the other unwanted lines. Now we have removed all the unwanted lines and we are creating steps. We're joining the lines and we are creating our steps. Then we are again trimming. Now we have our steps ready. Now we are trimming all the unwanted lines and we have our home ready. Now the protrusion of the roof to 60 cm outward. Just like we have shown in our section and plan, 60 cm outward projection of the roof. Now we are going to offset our windows and doors. So command offset, select offset distance to 0.5 cm and select the objects that are required to offset. Now we are going to offset the window to half its distance. So we are going to select offset distance to be half the length of the window and we are offsetting it. Then we are going to offset it again to 1.25 cm distance. We are deleting the central line. Now similarly we are offsetting all the windows to half its distance and we are applying similar procedure. Now we are again going to use the trim command to trim the unwanted lines. Similarly, trim all the unwanted lines in all of the windows and doors. Now we have our elevation almost ready. Now just one more thing to do. We will have to add an extension of 5 cm on both the sides because of the plinth. We have added projection of 5 cm in the plan and the section. So there is this plinth, the projection of the basement. So that 5 cm we have to add in our front elevation. You will have seen this in houses. It is that 5 cm distance that we are adding here. So now we are ready with the plan, section and elevation. So in the next video I'll tell you how to convert this TWT extension file into a PDF format. So in the next video I'll be telling you how you will be submitting your final file. So this is a really basic plan, elevation and section of a semi-detached house. You could create wonderful plans, elevation with proper dimensions using AutoCAD app. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.